Boom, boom, boom. Heartbeat a heartbeat. Fire upon the drum, Babylon can't sleep. Asian voice a call out inna the streets. Selassie I wisdom guide we feet. Yeah man, chant down confusion. Aristocracy a crumble the land. When the blind a lead the blind, none can stand. Righteousness buried under corrupt command, but truth still rise like sea to sand. Oh Jah, hear the people cry. We not bow down, we not comply. From the roots of truth we unify. Nyabinghi fire make the wicked system die. Nyabinghi fire make the wicked system die. Them put the least above the wise, cover the truth with political lies. Promises sweet but them only disguise. Greed in a suit and power in a demise. The people suffer while them feast. Kings without wisdom, beast and beast. Guidance lost, morality cease. So the whole society can't find peace. But we chant from the hills and valley low. Plant seed of truth and make justice grow. Even when the system try lock the floor, Rasta light still a glow, you know. Aristocracy a crumble the land. When the blind a lead the blind, none can stand. Righteousness buried under corrupt command, but truth still rise like sea to sand. Oh Jah, hear the people cry. We not bow down, we not comply. From the roots of truth we unify. Nyabinghi fire make the wicked system die. Babylon structure built on sand. No foundation firm inna the land. Too much ego inna the command. While the sufferation spread across the band. But wisdom louder than the gunshot sound. Truth can't stay buried underground. Every oppressed voice must resound. Till the crooked system get unbound. Rasta no fight with hatred flame. We chant for justice, not for shame. Clean heart, clean mind in the game. But accountability we still proclaim. Holy fire burn corruption. Nyabinghi drum bring reconstruction. Chant down confusion, uplift the nation. Righteousness is the only foundation. No, hear the drum talk truth. Hear the elders in the roots. No more lies in a high up suits. Only justice bear the fruit. So we educate the youth to see knowledge is the highest liberty. No more system of inequality. We rise in love and dignity. From Kingston streets to Grove and Dean, cult and rights must circle round. Every voice deserves its own. Inequality fully found. Aristocracy can't hold the land.